But apart in Matthew, Jesus said, whatever it is that I show unto you, I am going to give you. If I wouldn't give it to you, I'm not going to show it to you. So I'm going to follow that principle. When it comes to relationship, the first factor is that your communion, your fellowship with God, how friendly you are with Him, He is your Father, you are a son, would make you discuss whatever it is you're doing in life. You discuss even when you're on a date, you see. You tell him, I have this particular person and he's good or blah blah and I like it and stuff. Or you also pray, Father, is it time for me to date? And I have someone, is the person right for me? Is it right for me to date it? You see, the Bible said we shouldn't judge, so I cannot really say what happened about the pastor, but the fact that he told God to reveal unto him who his wife is, he already said, Father, reveal unto me who my wife is. According to the word that I said, the Father wouldn't show you what will hurt you or what would put you down. Remember his word that said, I wouldn't tempt you beyond your capacity. So he wouldn't tempt man beyond it. He is a lover. Okay, he is a lover. Once he would show anything to you, he wants you to have it. Come to think of it, when we come to when you know something new or you have more understanding, this understanding comes from God. Like when you hear a preaching or someone shares a word to you and you felt like a veil was open, like wow, what is this again? That is God showing you things. So when God shows you things, He's giving you. Imagine now, I told you what I learned at the Bible study about Revelation chapter 3 verse 8. Who did you think showed that to you? If I don't want to discuss it, that would be different. But I believe God wants you to know about it too. So this is like He's showing you, Temitayo, there are a lot of opportunities and I want you to like come to me, let's discuss this together and let's see how possible rest my glory will shine upon you and you will bring in people through what I hold you through you, stuff like that. And that's alone is God showing you something, and once He shows you, you're going to do it. Once He show you, He would give it to you. If He wouldn't give it to you, He wouldn't reveal it.